Hey, you guys, I just wanted to share a free resource with you that became available due to like online learning and all that for the next foreseeable future. It's on the Texas Instruments website, and basically it's 6 months free subscription to a graphing calculator. So just like the ones I would have in my classroom. For my Algebra 1 and Algebra 2 students, this is totally optional. It's if you don't have a graphing calculator and you would like one on your computer for the rest of the school year, you can download this for free. For my Prob and Stat students, you are going to have a graphing calculator for the rest of the school year. So if you don't already have a physical graphing calculator, you want to make sure that you're downloading this. So the URL is up here. I'll make sure to post that as well as this video so that you can go straight to this page. You just want to select software for students. And you want this first option right here, TI SmartView CE Emulator. Once you click it and enter your email address for Stargate and hit submit, you can download it for Mac or PC. It's pretty easy to download. I did it for myself as well. And once you get the program, it's going to look something like this. It's really cool. So it kind of pops up. You see this is like what you would see on the screen, and you can see the layout is exactly the same. So very, very cool resource. You guys will see me using this for the next foreseeable future. So if you would like this, make sure to download this onto your device. And if you have any questions about downloading it or you're having issues or anything like that, stop by and see me during office hours and I'll see if I can help.